Hello everyone, welcome to the series of mathematics lessons. In this presentation, we shall study about practical geometry. Practical geometry. In this chapter, we will study how to draw parallel lines and some types of triangles, making use of only compass and a scale or a ruler. Now let us see how to draw parallel lines using only compass and a scale. Construction of a line parallel to a given line. We need to construct a line which is parallel to a given line. This is a given line. We need to construct a parallel line at a given point. Like I said earlier, we need to construct parallel line at a point using only a ruler or a scale and compass only. Here we can see a line segment L is given. We need to draw a parallel line at point A. We can draw a line which is parallel to line L approximately, but we need accurate parallel line. This is given. We need to construct a parallel line like this. This is the end result. As we can see, line M is drawn parallel to line L. So let's get started. Take a line L and a point A outside of line L. We will draw a line segment L. Then we will draw a point A outside of line L. We are not drawing point A on line segment L. We are drawing point A outside of the line segment L. Somewhere like here. Step 2. Take any point B on line L. On line L, draw a point B. Then join point A and point B. Step 3. Now take a compass, draw an arc passing through the line segment BA. Take radius in such a way that the radius is not more than the length of line segment BA. Take a radius which is less than the length of this line segment BA. Somewhere around here. Draw an arc which cuts through this line BA. Step 4. Don't keep away the compass. Use the compass of same length. Now keeping A as a center, draw an arc EF. This arc EF must cut this line AB. Step 5. Don't keep the compass away. Have the same compass on your hand carefully. Then keep the compass at point C and the other end should touch point D. Basically, we are measuring the length of DC using compass. You got some length here. In step 6, have the compass with same length. Now, keep one end of the compass at point G. Then draw an arc on this arc FE. So there is a point of intersection here. The significance of this point is, our task is to draw a parallel line which is parallel to a given line. We can also draw a parallel line with only point A also, but that won't be accurate. So we need two accurate points to draw a line which is parallel to the given line segment L. So this is the significance of this second point. Finally, in the step 7, we will draw line M which is parallel to a given line L. You can notice that the angle ABC and angle BAH. These two angles are alternate interior angles. Therefore, line M and line L are parallel lines. we can conclude that line L and line M are parallel lines. The content of this recording is borrowed from Karnataka Textbook Society, Bangalore under Fair Usage Policy. This video is presented by Avari Technologies. Please do hit subscribe button to get more content. Thank you.